In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean and organize your constant contact lists for better campaigns. Keeping your contact list tidy is one of the simplest ways to improve deliverability, open rates, and overall results. We'll walk through a cleanup routine you can follow anytime, using only the tools already built into Constant Contact. Start by logging into your Constant Contact account. Once you're in, head straight to the Contacts section from the main navigation. This is your home base for everything related to your audience. You'll see your overall contacts as well as the individual lists you've created for different groups or campaigns. Open the contact lists you actively use. Think of each list as a container with a purpose, whether that's newsletters, event updates, or special offers. By opening them one at a time, you can focus on the health of each audience segment and spot what needs attention without getting overwhelmed. Now it's time to remove clutter. Look for duplicates. These are multiple entries for the same email address. Duplicates can skew reporting and annoy subscribers with extra emails. Use search and sorting to spot matching names or addresses, then keep the most complete record and remove the rest. Next, check for inactive contacts, such as those who haven't engaged in a long while. If you see consistent non-openers, consider removing them from the list to protect your sender reputation. Also, remove bounced contacts. Constant contact flags addresses that can't be delivered, often labeled as bounced or undeliverable. Finally, remove outdated records like placeholders or test contacts that don't belong in a live list. Each removal helps your future campaigns reach real, engaged inboxes. With the clutter gone, make sure every remaining contact is in the right place. Move contacts into the correct lists so each person receives content that fits their interests. For example, if someone belongs in a general updates list rather than a promotions list, move them over now. Clear list organization makes targeting easier and messages more relevant. Before you send any new campaign, take a moment to review your cleaned list. Scan the totals, confirm the list's purpose still makes sense, and spot check a few records for accuracy. A quick review ensures you're communicating with the right people at the right time with the right message. That's it. Log in, go to contacts, open your list, remove duplicates and bad addresses, move people into the right list, and review your work. Keep this routine in your regular workflow and you'll see more reliable metrics and stronger results from every send.